angelfish, angelfish, pretty and bright, it swims with a swish. B is for barracuda, beep, barracuda, out fast as lightning, whoosh, right through ya. C is for clownfish, C, clownfish, orange and white, it's Nemo's wish. D is for dolphin, B, dolphin, loud, smart and joyful, always smiling. E is for eel, eel, long and slippery, that's the deal. F is for flounder, flounder, flat on the ocean floor, he's a wonder. G is for grouper, G, grouper, burn and strong, a deep sea trooper. H is for hammerhead, hammerhead, a shark with a funny head. I is for iridescent shark, iridescent shark, shiny and sleek, it glows in the dark. J is for jellyfish, jellyfish, floating soft, swish, swish, swish. K is for krill, krill, tiny and tasty, whales eat their fill. L is for lobster, lobster, snip, snap, claws, red rock star. M is for manatee, manatee, old giant, slow and free. N is for narwhal, unicorn of the sea, so tall. O is for octopus, octopus, hate long arms that wiggle and fuss.
P is for pufferfish, PP, pufferfish. Right arrow puff, it blows up when there's a wish.
Q is for queen triggerfish, queen triggerfish, long, bright and royal, swim so swish. R is for ray, ray, gliding smooth in the bay. S is for seahorse, seahorse, tiny and cute, rides a coral horse. T is for tuna, tuna, fast as a jet in blue laguna. U is for urchin, urchin, tiki and round, ocean's pink cushion. V is for viperfish, viper, deep sea hunter with a scary swish. W is for whale, W, whale, big and kind, sings a happy tale. X is for hexupia, hexupia's a swordfish fast, can't miss us. Y is for yellowfin, way, yellowfin tuna, golden fins that shimmer like Luna. Z is for zebra shark, zebra spotted